Sterling, who's this lady? Is she your new wife?
In this circle, whose arm he walks through that door on is the same as telling the world she's Mrs. Sterling. Tonight, Declan made that announcement for me.
Mrs. Sterling, do you need an escort?
Declan? Who's this young lady?
She's Bianca. She looks like Declan's first love, so he promoted her to executive assistant. He's turned against me for her, defended her openly at work, took her around the world, humiliated me at every turn.
Declan's always had a spotless reputation. What's going on here?
That Bianca looks like bad news. She must be seducing him.
Declan. Explain.
Iris, you brought this to my parents. What exactly are you trying to do?
Iris, don't worry. I'll make him apologize.
Declan, let's get a divorce.
What did you just say?
A divorce. You heard me. Iris, divorce is no small matter. Have you really thought this through?
You're divorcing me over Bianca?
I warned you. I don't want to see her in our house again. But you brought her anyway. Since she means that much to you, I'll step aside.
I've told you 100 times I haven't cheated! What will it take to believe me?
I do believe you. I know you haven't done anything to betray me.
Then why the hell are you doing this?
Because I think you've crossed a line. You bought your secretary a $2 million watch. You let her take my place at a formal event. Milan, Switzerland, family gatherings. You're always with her. It's too close, Declan. I'm not stupid. Isn't this your way of telling me to make room for her?
I never expected Declan to be this bad.
What would you think if I went out with another man for 2 months and then brought him to a family dinner, telling you there's nothing going on, we're just friends? My lawyer has already drafted the divorce papers. Sign when they're ready.
Iris.
Move. I have an OB appointment this afternoon. I don't have time to waste here.
What did you say?
I am pregnant. Am pregnant. I am pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Found out yesterday. The doctor said I'm about 3 weeks along.
Iris is pregnant. We're gonna be grandparents.
Iris, that's the best news I've heard all night. Declan should be ashamed of himself.
Mrs. Sterling, you sure about the timing? Mr. Sterling and I have been traveling abroad for the past 2 months.
No mistake. I saw a specialist. Definitely 3 weeks. And Declan has been gone a lot lately. So, I'd like to ask about sperm donation. I want a child of my own.
Ma'am, just 1 moment, please.
Ma'am, you're married. That's not usually allowed.
I'm about to get divorced. I just want my own baby. This baby's not his. Go ahead, congratulate me, Declan. I'm gonna be a mother.
can't be serious.
I am serious. This baby's definitely not yours.
Hurry, free for a limited time. Click to watch now.